Hello, Stevie here. And I don't know how many videos I have done on this nice, cool day. But if you've been staying with me, thank you so much for being here. And I really appreciate it. So I'm going through my cubbies here, and I found that I had just crammed a bunch of stuff in there. Look at these. These are neat. I made little pages and I sewed them. And so those, these are scraps. It's Christmas, but I'll put it in scraps for now because it's almost not. And then that's junk now. I don't think I'm even gonna do anything with that. All this stuff looks like it needs to go. Well, these can all go in scraps for now. I'm gonna have to go through my scraps thing and everything, but I'm really trying to purge and make packets for my Etsy shop dictionary page. Scraps. Oh, there's a pretty kitty. Let's put it with cats over here. And I got themes like cats, dogs, horses, dinosaurs. These are smaller fussy cuts. I do packets for my Etsy shop. Scraps get a little quicker. And I'm really trying to ramp up the scrap packs. Interesting papers for making things for junk journals, which I'm going to start kind of showing what you can do with a pack. And I've probably overstuffed the packets, but I don't know. I know that less is more, but there's just so much great stuff that you can use. Oh, look at all this. Oh, nice. I can put that with that. These don't really go, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these in there, and I'm going to put them away right over here with other things like that. And then these can go in scraps. Ooh. And I have a place for these. Oh, right over here in a box. And I can start another pack, which I'm looking is kind of like I move one stack to another table. I'll probably do that stack afterwards, and then it end up back on this table. I'm going to try and just pull this magazine apart and take out the I think I'm gonna let those go. That's Christmas, yes. Let that go. This over with the Christmas stuff, which I really need to do at least a couple packets with Christmas stuff, because oh, let's see, 83, 85. Okay, this is definitely some vintage. Let's see if it's got Christmas stuff. No, it has Christmas stuff here. So I'm going to gently try and tear that. Okay, now I can put this all for making packets. And I have a lot of packets that are almost ready, and it's like I need to get to making it. I know my sister's gonna go, yeah. I don't know what to do with some of this stuff. It's like, if I don't know what to do with it, just toss it. And this is blank paper. Can never throw blank paper away. I can put it over here in the cubbies, because that's what I'm trying to make the top shelf, is the plain paper to make things. This can be a cover, or it's like cardstock type. And this needs to go with my, I try and keep the copyrights to everything I use. I'm gonna have to make a journal or something out of them. This, oh, that's cool. Cardstock, like paperback. And then these are people. And this is, oh, one of those. Okay. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Do I have time to do another folder? Oh, there's not exactly. I think I'm gonna let that one go. And I've got some plain papers. I can put that in here. This. And it looks like this would be pretty easy to go through. I think I have time. Even if I'm keeping it under, or 10 minutes or under, because these are all going to go over here, there, and that's black and white. Come on, get in there, because these are car magazine ads. Cool. And let's see. I can just put that in there too. And, oh, I'm coming up on the 10-minute mark. And I don't know, I'm kind of having fun. Oh, look, cool. I might use this one. Oops, I'm going to cover up my scraps good over paper. So, all right. I am down to, looks like one more folder, and then a bunch of other things that'll be a little more fun. Thank you for watching. Links are all in the description below.